Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one rx350 2017 model. In this car have a problem, trunk not working. So when I check with my diagnosis tool, I got fault. Here you can see power back door touch sensor left and power back door touch sensor right. Problem B22 B222B B222A, this is the fault. Okay, today I will show you what is the location with this touch sensor. So here you can see this is the car and this is accident car, that's why we remove everything, glass and everything. And here you can see, if you remove this cover, and you can see there is one sensor which is touch sensor, this one, see, this is the wire, and check here, that's the wire remove. That's why, because I want to show you a touch sensor fault. This is the left touch sensor, and here this one right touch sensor. See, here also same, this one, this is touch sensor for left side. If one of them problem, this trunk not working properly. Okay, thank you.